We're heating up some angle iron so we can bend some plastic to have some right angles to put it into the baler chute. Why we're doing this is so we can keep the baler chute new, and the plastic will take majority of the wear, and it won't wear out the baler prematurely. What we're doing now is we're putting on a grease pump kit for the knotters from Agco on the baler, so we can just pump a grease gun a few times and it'll grease all 15, 20 zerks on the baler knotters. And so the grease goes in to the knotters and not on the knotters, just collecting dust and not lubricating the moving parts of the knotter, which is very important. You don't want to mess up the knotters. They are a pain. What we're doing now is we're putting in a moisture sensor and stroke counter. What the moisture sensor does is it tells us what the moisture percentage in the bale is. So it'll say if it's 10, 15, 25%, and then from that we can decide we need to wait for more dew to get a better bale, or we need to stop because it'll mold. And the stroke counter tells us how many flakes are in each bale, or in that bale. And so we want it between the 15 to 18 range to get the most productivity out of this Massey Ferguson Heston 1840 inline baler.